Good morning, students. Today we discuss about Raoult's law. Okay, Raoult's law. Suppose we have taken two closed containers, container A and container B. These containers contains some quantity of liquids. This is liquid molecules, some quantity of liquids. This liquid is water. Suppose this is ethanol. Okay, these two containers are closed containers. These liquids are these two liquids are volatile liquids. These liquids are volatile and this is also volatile liquids. Volatile means the liquid gives vapor easily. The liquid gives vapor easily, that is volatile. In case the liquid does not gives vapor easily, that is non-volatile. Volatile means the liquid gives vapor easily, that is volatile. These two liquids are volatile liquids. It means these two liquids are applied some quantity of temperature to automatically gives some quantity of vapor. This vapor does not escape because of it is closed containers. These two liquids are volatile liquids. It gives some quantity of vapor, that is this vapor A, vapor B. Okay, these two liquids, suppose liquid A surface molecule, this is internal molecule. These internal molecules is known as bulk molecule. These are surface molecules. These liquid get ready to vapor means the surface molecules is collision with the bulk molecules. It is gain some quantity of energy. These energy to use to get ready to vapor. These vapor of phase, these molecules to attempted some quantity of pressure, that is pressure A. It means the liquid get ready to vapor. It gives some quantity of pressure. It pushes some quantity of pressure, that is pressure A. It is also same. It gives some quantity of pressure B. How much quantity of pressure to applied surface molecules to bulk molecules, that is maximum pressure P not A. At the same time, these surface molecule means the surface molecules of ethanol to applied some quantity of pressure to bulk molecules of ethanol, that is how much quantity of pressure? Maximum quantity of pressure is P naught B is the maximum pressures. The maximum pressure of container A is P naught A. The maximum pressure of container B is P naught B. Okay, these two liquids are intermix to forms. Suppose this is intermix to forms A, B. These two liquids are intermix. These two liquids are intermix to give some quantity of pressure. Okay, suppose the liquid gives vapor. How much quantity of liquid gives how much quantity of vapor? How much quantity of liquid is equal to vapor that the liquid molecules is equal to vapor molecule, that is equilibrium. Okay, this is the equilibrium. Suppose these two liquids, the component A and component B, is intermixed to some quantity of pressure, that is total pressure. According to the Raoult's law states, a solution of volatile liquid, the partial pressure of the component is directly proportional to mole fraction in solution. Okay students, this is Raoult's law statement. What is the Raoult's law? A solution of volatile liquids, the partial pressure of the component is directly proportional to mole fraction of solution. Okay, this is the component A is mixed with component B. The component A gives partial pressure Pa is directly proportional to mole fraction, and the component B partial pressure is Pb is directly proportional to mole fraction of Pb. Students, the escape of proportional Pa equal to the maximum pressure P naught A into XA, Pb equal to maximum pressure P naught B into XB. First equation, it is the second equation. Okay, according to Dalton's law, the total pressure is sum of two partial pressures. This is partial pressure Pa and this is also partial pressure Pb, sum of two partial pressures, like that P total equal to Pa plus Pb. Okay students, this is partial pressure. So P total equal to Pa means P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XB. Okay, according to the mole fraction, this is the mole fraction. According to the mole fraction, XA plus XB equal to 1. You know very well. XA plus XB equal to 1. Okay, suppose these XA is equal to XB, P naught A into 1 minus XB. Okay students, that is XA. 1 minus XB equal to XA plus PB naught into XB. Okay students, these P naught A multiplied with 1, P naught A minus P naught A into XB plus P naught B into XB. Okay, you have taken common the XB. P naught A minus P naught A plus P naught B minus P naught A into XB. Okay student, it is the equation, Raoult's law equation. These Raoult's law equation to attempt the certain graph. Suppose you have taken certain graph. This is the graph. This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay students, this is pressure, this is mole fraction. Okay, suppose XA. Mole fraction means XA equal to 0 to XA equal to 1. It means the mole fraction of first liquid, like that A, component A, XA to X1. What is the partial pressure? PA. Okay, students. What is the Raoult's law basic principle? The partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. In case mole fraction is increased, then automatically partial pressure also increase. Partial pressure is increased, then automatically mole fraction is increased. Suppose this is the component A. Okay, this is P naught A. And second liquid, suppose this is XB equal to 0, this direction. First liquid XA to XA 0 equal to XA equal to 1 in this direction. XB equal to, this is XB equal to 1. Suppose this type of the opposite direction. Okay, students, this is pressure. Suppose PB, partial pressure. In this concept, according to the Raoult's law, partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. In case increase the partial pressure, mole fraction also increase. This is mole fraction XB. It is the P naught B. The graph of P naught A. This is graph of P naught B. It is more than, PB is more than PA. Okay, students, it is very most important. This is most important. PB is more than PA. Whatever it may be, PA is more than PB because of two are volatile liquids. You have taken, this is water, this is ethanol, and you have taken, this is ethanol, this is benzene. Whatever it may be, but these two liquids are different liquids, but two liquids are volatile liquids. Okay, in this concept, the Raoult's law state that you have taken any liquids, but the liquids are volatile. You have taken any volatile liquids, the resultant vapor does not equal to two liquids. It means it gives, the component A gives some quantity of pressure, and the component B is applied some quantity of pressure. These gives how much quantity of pressure is gives component A is does not equal to this pressure. That symbol indicates this graph. Pressure B is more than pressure A, means component A gives pressure is more than component pressure B. So these total pressure PT equal to PA plus PB. This is the graph. These two pressures are not equal. Okay, this is the Raoult's law statement. In this concept, these two pressures is not equal. These two pressures are not equal. Pressure B is greater than pressure A, or pressure A is greater than pressure B, but PA does not equal to PB. In case PA is greater than PB, or PB is greater than PA. Okay, students, that is Raoult's law. Okay, thank you, students.